Marami sa mga Pilipino ang mahilig mag-makeup. And I may not be the right person to talk about makeup, but I would like to share with you that I kind of got intrigued when the Vivo partnered with Benefit Cosmetics. Benefit Cosmetics is a company based in San Francisco, California, and they're offering makeup. Now, I get this. I'm not sure if you're getting the same vibes here. Vivo is a company that makes smartphones, and they're really known for creating smartphones that have that feature called beautification mode, and make your face thinner, kind of puts blush on your face, and partnering with Benefit Cosmetics that literally makes makeup kind of makes sense to me. And this right here is the reason why we have the Vivo X Benefit Cosmetics Special Edition Vivo V15 in Blossom Pink. And what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this just for you to know what you can find inside the box at ano yung mga makeup na kasama. Again, guys, so if you're getting this kind of special edition Vivo V15, you get a chance to win goodies from Benefit Cosmetics, plus you get samples from Benefit Cosmetics. And these samples are, you have here the Gold Rush Mini, right here, Gold Rush Mini. Gold Rush Mini. This is, I think this is a foundation. I'm not sure what it is. Blush. It's a blush right here. And we have here another one, which is the Dandelion Twinkle. And this one is a strobing and highlighting powder along cheekbones. Alright, I don't know what that is, but it really makes your cheekbones appear. So baka highlighter. Now, I'm not sure what it is, but that is something those are the things that you get when you get this, when you buy this Vivo Special Edition Vivo V15. And of course, syempre, the reason why you're getting this is, of course, the Vivo V15. Now, let's take it out of the box. The box looks pretty, right? There is a special message here from Vivo and Benefit Cosmetics. It says here, thanks for purchasing the limited edition Vivo X Benefit Kit. Keep slaying your selfie game with Vivo's V15 Blossom Pink and get cheeky with Benefit's mini box of powders. So these are powders. We have, again, a highlighter and a blush. Get a chance to win Benefit goodies worth 5,000 pesos. Upload on your Instagram, feed a photo of this limited edition Vivo X Benefit Kit, and all you have to do is tag Vivo Philippines and at Benefit PH and include the hashtag Vivo X Benefit. Good luck. Benebabe. Benebabe. That's how they call it, right? Benebabe. So am I a Benebabe now? I do it for nobody but my selfie. Right? Selfie. Right? I guess we have to take a lot of selfies with this one. There's another here. This is the SIM ejector tool right there, and we have some important informations about the smartphone. There is even a case that you can use on your phone. Of course, the Vivo V15 features a pop-up selfie camera, so it should come out of this hole right here. Yan. Kaya siya meron siyang butas dito. And now, let's get the Vivo V15 in Blossom Pink. I am very excited with this one because yung kulay niya is really one of a kind. Something I've never seen in my career of unboxing videos. Right there. It looks pretty cool. It looks fine to me, no? Right? So, if you're a girl or girl at heart, then this might be something that you really love to have and love to hold. Especially if you're using this cell phone or smartphone for various purposes. Again, even men can rock this if you ask me. I would use this and wait for people's reaction when I put this out of my pocket. And the case fits perfectly, right? And still preserving the look of the smartphone. Okay? It doesn't really take away the experience. Other than that, you have the IMEI, you have the types or the micro SD. micro USB rather. It is intriguing why they're still using micro USB on a smartphone. Sana man lang Type C. And I am, I'm on the fence here. To be honest with you, I prefer smartphones right now with Type C because that's the new standard. But siguro just to keep the price lower than usual, and manufacturing Type C ports are more expensive than micro USB ones. That's probably the reason why they're using micro USB on this smartphone. So since this one has a 3.5 millimeter jack, so you have a headphone that supports that, and a charger that supposedly supports fast charging. Let's go ahead again and check out and explore the smartphone. Yeah, wow. Talaga medyo happy pa rin talaga ako sa kulay nitong telepono to. Alright. And this is something that ayokong pakita sa asawa ko because for sure sabihin niya, akin na lang yan. Sobrang ganda. I mean, I'm not shitting you here, guys, but I am telling you straight with my manliness, this one looks good even for my standards. You have a button right here. You have the sleep and wake button. Let me turn it on for you. And you have here, of course, the volume rockers on the right side. Right here. On the left side, you have the SIM tray. And there's another button here. Since this one has pop-up selfie, you get better and bigger screen real estate. Let's go and open that up. Alright, there's even a sound that comes out like. Right. I don't know if you can turn that off, but I don't want to turn that off because it looks really cool and sounds really cool. Tunog ng pag-pop up ng camera. Oh, there are other ways to do it, like sci-fi. Pakinggan nyo. Ooh, and another one is machine. Ooh. Rhythm. I kind of like the machine one. Let's set that and medyo high-tech ng konti. Let's see. Alright. Alright, now let's take some photos. Siyempre, selfie daw. So let's go and check out one selfie here. Cool. Let's do a landscape mode. Cool. And then let's go check out the rear camera. Let's take a photo of Kulayaku here. Let's zoom it a bit. To be honest with you, ang bilis ng focus ito. Stabilization is not that good though. There are other additional features that you need to know when taking photos. There is a live photo just beside the settings button. There is even a portrait light effect that you can change on the fly. It's a portrait light effect. Let's select rainbow light. Let's see. There you go. See that? There's that effect right there. I'm not sure if you can still edit that. That's pretty cool to do. Monochrome na background. Let's see. Ah, that's so nice. See that? The edges are pretty cool too. Very accurate. Very accurate. Except for that one though. That's supposedly black and white, not green. RTX. This one is on point though. It's black and white. The other ones are okay. There are other couple of features that you can explore, like skin tone, pagpapaputi. Ooh! Manipis na mukha. Pag-reshape ng mukha. Panga. 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 However, I do not see changes, like real-time changes. But, baka pag nag-take tayo ng photo, mas mahaba ng konti yung baba ko dito. Mahaba na nga, mas pinahaba pa niya. Let's, baba natin yung baka. I don't see the actual change, but baka yung ibang mga features niya mas halatang halata. And these are all the benefits that Vivo and Benefit Cosmetics are trying to propose to their consumers. And I, for one, am very excited for that. I am going to review this, and I cannot wait to share with you my thoughts about this new smartphone. Details of which in our full review will be posted on our website at gadgetphilippines.net this month. I hope you guys would check it out. Alright, again, this has been GN of GadgetPhilippines.net. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and see you soon on the next.